Today, we're reviewing the Acer Predator Helios Neo 18AI gaming laptop, a machine designed for serious gamers and creative professionals. It packs an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, NVIDIA RTX 5070 a large 18-inch 240Hz GSYNC display, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 2TB SSD. Check the link in the description for the best price. This powerful desktop replacement laptop delivers an excellent display and high-end GPU, ready for demanding tasks. Under the hood, the combination of the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 5070 GPU provides desktop-level performance for the most demanding applications. Acer's Predator Sense software offers intuitive control over system performance, fan speeds, and RGB lighting, making it easy to optimize your experience. Its large 18-inch WQXGA G-Sync display offers an incredibly immersive and fluid visual experience, perfect for competitive gaming and detailed creative tasks. Advanced thermal solutions, including liquid metal and a custom AeroBlade 3D fan, ensure consistent and reliable performance even during extended, intensive sessions. This laptop truly excels as a desktop replacement, delivering outstanding performance for both gaming and intensive creative work. The value of this laptop is strongest when it is meaningfully discounted against better established alternatives. It packs a very strong set of components, including a powerful CPU, GPU, ample RAM, and fast storage, offering excellent features for its price category. Acer is a well-established brand in the gaming laptop space, giving buyers confidence in their purchase and ongoing product support. While competitive, this laptop truly shines in terms of value when it's available at a discount, offering a better proposition than some alternatives. Finding this model on sale significantly boosts its appeal, making it an even more compelling option for those seeking high performance at a better price. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 18 presents solid value, particularly when you can find it at a meaningful discount compared to its direct competitors. Higher safety scores indicate lower buyer risk, though confidence is reduced when independent evidence is limited. The build quality is generally solid and what you would expect from a high-performance gaming laptop, ensuring good physical durability in typical use. While general reliability appears good, long-term independent evidence is somewhat limited, so buyers should be aware of this initial observation. Acer's support and warranty are standard for the industry, but buyers seeking extensive independent validation of long-term support might find. With its cutting-edge hardware, this laptop offers strong compatibility with the latest games and creative applications, minimizing software-related issues. Overall, buyer risks are relatively low with this model, though we note some limitations regarding comprehensive long-term independent evidence. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 18AI is a highly recommended purchase